In progress.
Hello everyone. Today I will show how to launch the demo toolbox in the uploaded shared file server. Uh, First, we need to remote in to SSH. Remember that to keep the X forwarding, the /X options on, because we will need the X11 forward. Okay. And the next step is to load the virtual environment. I set up this virtual environment to launch our toolbox and do everything here, so that remember to activate this virtual environment whenever we try to use this toolbox. And yep, and the next step is to launch the virtual toolbox. We can use the command here. The list of command will be present in readme.txt so that you will have access to it. The /d options can be any data set that you want to try to, to input some voice and convert it to have some TTX coming out of that speech. Yeah, it will take some time to launch the toolbox. This example test dataset is just a custom one that I made just for this demonstration purpose. If you specify /d here, you will be able to see you will be able to select the speakers and the utterances inside this Dropbox. If you don't specify it, that's fine. You can always use embedding from browse options, and you can find anything. You can find any MP3 or even record one on your own and then put it there. Now we have used embedding from this file, and now we'll be ready for speech synthesis. I've prepared this test sample.txt so that if you don't know Japanese, you can randomly select text from here and just copy and paste it to do speech synthesis. A second. Let's do a random tree synthesis, maybe this one. And now we'll press the synthesize and view. If it is installed in our local machine, we'll be able to hear it once the synthesis is finished. But since we're using X forwarding, we don't really have a sound attached to it. So we will have to explicitly export the WAV file and then hear it locally. So that's a bit unfortunate. If you know Japanese and if you want to say something in a sentence, you can output in hiragana and katakana, and then I've made a Python script to convert the hiragana katakana into phoneme sequences like this, Romanance phoneme sequences like this, so that it's in readme.txt. It's a dedicated Python script just to convert the Japanese text into here. But kanji doesn't work. So because there are synonyms that one kanji word can have many pronunciations, so that doesn't really work. So it's strictly hiragana or katakana. And yeah, the synthesizer now works. Normally, if you set this up in a local machine, you will be able to hear the sound right away. But now we'll have to export it. Let's export it to example.wav. Maybe example 2, just for demonstration. Example 2. And now, yeah, I would just close it for easy. But you don't have to, really. Then we will quit the environment. Sorry. Yeah. And then we copy the file from a remote repo to our local repository. And now we can hear the sound. Yep.
明日は私の誕生日です。友達と一緒にレストランでお祝いします。みんなで楽しい時間を過ごすことを楽しみにしています。
That's it. Thank you for listening.